Hello everyone. Happy Wednesday. Welcome to Critters Crochet. I'm glad you've come across my channel. If you are new and just tuning in, I hope you'll watch all the way till the end. But today is Battle of the Stitches. It is week 2. If you're not familiar with what Battle of the Stitches is, in the description box below, I will have I will list each week and what we do for Battle of the Stitches each week. So you can go to the description box and look at that. Today is is the second Wednesday of the month. So that means we're going to do a sneak peek of the project that I'm working on. And we are using Heather and I from Strings and Threads. We started this a few months ago and we're using the book, the step-by-step guide to 200 crochet stitches, and it is by Teresa Paschall, and this is the book that we're working out of. We are working on stitch number 5 this week, and it is the shallow single crochet, and that's what it looks like. Very pretty. And so today I'm going to show you a sneak peek of what I'm working on. Now, I didn't get to work on it a lot this past week because of 4th of July week. We had family in. It was just, I didn't get to crochet much, but I do have a little bit. And here is a sneak peek of what I'm doing. So you can leave your guesses in the comment as to what you think this is. And next week, next Wednesday, I will have this completed. I will be showing you the completed project, and I will be showing a video tutorial on how to make this item that I'm creating with this stitch. We are having such fun with this, and I absolutely love watching Cyd from Sweet Pea Cyd's Inspirations is joining us this month, and I love watching the Heather and Cyd's videos because I'm learning some really neat tips on how to do this stitch. And so I'm hoping that next week when I come on to show you the tutorial, I'll be able to share and pass on some of those tips because they've been great ones. And I really am enjoying this stitch. It is so fun and it's just working out super cute. So I can't wait to show you the finished project and what this is going to be, but I'm really having a lot of fun working on this. So more details on this on next Wednesday. And you'll have a chance to vote. So please go over to, I'll have Heather and Cyd's channels in the comments, so you can click on their links and go right to their channels. If you've never checked out Heather from Strings and Threads or Cyd from Sweet Pea Cyd's Inspiration, I encourage you to go over there. They do wonderful things. Heather makes a lot of amigurumi and dice bags for gaming. Her dice bags are so cute, but she does other things. She does hats. I think she has a few hat tutorials out right now. And then Cyd, she does several things. She crochets. She shows you how to spin yarn. So she just has a lot on her channel that is very interesting, and you will not be disappointed if you go over and check out their channels. So that's my sneak peek for today. Let me know in the comments what you think I'm making, and I will see you next Wednesday for the reveal of what we are making. Talk to you later. I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday. Love you guys a lot. Bye.